Hi everyone, let's see how we can fix this error in Windows 10 or Windows 11. To get started, simply search for command prompt, right click over it and run it as administrator. Now type the command net stop http and hit enter. Press Y and hit enter. Once the service is successfully stopped, close the CMD window. Now run command prompt as administrator again. Type net start http and hit enter to execute it. Now once the service is successfully started, simply close the CMD window and see if the issue gets resolved or not. However, if the issue persists, then continue with the next method. Open command prompt as administrator. Now type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter and wait for the process to finish. Once done, type in the next command. Once done, simply close the CMD window, restart your computer and the issue will get resolved. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.